going on, YouTube? Here I got my 69 Rupp Roadster. Did a Briggs Flathead WKA kart racing motor. It's a fully built HRE that I've modified. Excuse me, I'll turn the light on. There we go. Modified with a Predator carburetor. I had made my own manifold, and as for the throttle, I took the stock Predator linkage and flipped it upside down. So now it is a pull instead of a push. It was running on alcohol, but alcohol is a little rough on engines, so I converted it over to VP 113. I've been running it in a lot of my bikes. Seems to run pretty good. But here I got the 3D Motorsport manual clutch to the jack shaft with a secondary drum clutch. Now I wanted to run a Hillard, but the Hillards are a little bit bigger, and as you can see, there's not a whole lot of extra room. So, at least this is adjustable with changing out, the weight of the springs to change the stall of the clutch. It'll be pretty nice because with these 3D Motorsports, you can't really free coast without pulling the clutch in. So with the secondary clutch, even if you have the clutch out on the manual clutch, it'll just free coast this clutch until you hit the stall rating of the secondary clutch, and then you'll go like a normal mini bike. But you can always pull in the clutch, take this Flathead up to about 7,000 RPMs, let the clutch fly, maybe add a wheelie bar and cut this muffler down a little bit, a little wide, sticking out of the side of it. But it's coming along. Should have some videos of it up and running soon enough once I get the rear rim and brake all figured out. It's not the exact rim and tire combination for this particular year, so I have to modify a couple things to make it work. But it's coming along. Thanks, YouTube.